Chef and Builder Janie Pendleton. We are back in the kitchen giving you today's RV packing tip. Especially for the kitchen is what we're covering this week. And we're getting ready to leave for Turkey Run. We just got back from Brown County State Park. We got some business. We're doing some meetups. We got some things going on there. I will tell you that I'm packing the bread. I do have a bread box, but I find that this gives less odors to the bread, and I find that it keeps that bread. I even take this with me to the grocery store. But I just had a sandwich with this. It made good toast, but I had a sandwich with it, and to be honest with you, it was already stale, straight from Walmart. It tasted stale. I don't know. I might end up making bread before we leave. I don't know. It was just a firmer bread. I don't know. But anyway, it fits right in here. And you just close the lid. See, nothing's going to get to that. It's in there. So anyway, I have a few of these, and I've given them away to my children. I picked it up at Goodwill for 99 cents. All right? So somebody was getting rid of that kind of thing. So we're moving right along with our packing of our kitchen. And now we're trying to think of ideas of what we could pack in the styrofoam egg carton.